Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download GTA Vice City for your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First, open your desktop browser and navigate to Google. Search for Rockstar Games and click on the official website from the search results. Once on the Rockstar Games website, use the search bar to look for GTA games. You'll find a list of available games. Now, let's move on to the second source. Open a new tab and search for Steam. Log into your Steam account or create a new one if you don't have any account. Then, in the Steam search bar, type GTA to find the official game. Click on the GTA game to open its page. Enter your date of birth and click on View Page. Scroll down to find the premium edition of the game. Click on Add to Cart. Proceed to purchase the game by clicking on Purchase for myself. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download GTA Vice City for your laptop or PC in just a few easy steps. Now, you can enjoy playing GTA Vice City on your computer hassle-free. This tutorial provides clear instructions for users to download GTA Vice City for their laptop or PC from two different sources. Let me know if you need further clarifications. And that's all. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!